What day is it today?
I've got a show coming up. What the Western Design Conference is, it is a gathering of artists and craftspeople from around the country who are elite in their skills. We've got 2 weeks left. The bed has to be completely finished, all the other stuff for the booth loaded in the trailer, and drive north to Jackson Hole. It's a king size bed. I got most of the parts figured except for the big wave type of effect going on here. I'm gonna call this the Cowabunga. I'm gonna add a real Western flair by putting in hand-carved leather panels in the inserts on the footboard and the headboard. A little bit more so you can start seeing it. Look at that, you can see the Cowabunga right there. For those of you out there who don't know what this is, please let me explain. This is a CNC machine, a computer numeric control, basically computer controlled router. This is super exciting for me because I have a lot of concepts and ideas in my head, and this is basically like having my own personal robot that's gonna go to work and be exactly precise and cut out exactly what I need, and that's exciting to me. It's like having a Terminator. Like, I got a Terminator here. This thing is gonna kick butt. This is gonna be the front. This is an unusual build for me because most of the time when I go to build something, I've already designed it in my mind. I had designer's block. I couldn't come up with what I was doing. Well, I got to get started because I'm running out of time. Very uncomfortable through the whole build. Will and I are in here building and we're making stuff. Didn't know what I was building. My design is new to me. It's unique. Time is going to be my greatest enemy.